Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a awesome day. I am back at you again with another DIY project, and the project that we're going to get into is this floral swag right here, this wedding floral swag. And I think it is absolutely gorgeous. So that's what we're going to be creating today. That's our project today. Now I want to show you the inspiration picture from Aliexpress, and I'll show you that right now. So the inspiration picture from Aliexpress, their floral wedding swags retail anywhere from $200 to $300, but we're going to recreate that today, and we're going to try to keep it under $45, and I believe we'll be able to do it for $45 or less. I will put the final total at the end of the video. So most of the items that we're going to be using, at least most of the flowers that we're going to be using, is going to be from the Dollar Tree, okay? And we're going to go ahead and get into this project. I'm really excited about it. I think it looks absolutely amazing. I think it came out flawless. If you were trying to come up with something like this for a client or for your wedding, you've come to the right place. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so we're going to start with this foam board, and the size of the foam board is listed on the side. And you will have to go to Office Depot because they're the ones that sell the really large foam boards. And we're going to use our corners template. So we're going to use a corner arch template that I created. And this is it. That's the template I created, and I'm going to attach it to the foam board using this spray mount. So I have attached the template using the spray mount, and there's going to be one little section that you won't be able to get, and that's this corner right here. This little corner I didn't have enough, so we will have to just take a small piece and continue it once we get the whole thing cut out. So now I'm going to take my time and use my cutting board and cut out my corners. So I'm going to use my cutting board and my X-ACTO knife, and I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. Alright everyone, so here is our arch. It's completely cut out, and again this is a template that I created, and I will be happy to send it to you guys. So now what we're going to do, as in all of the recent runners that I've done, is we're going to go ahead and apply our floral foam. Most of the floral foam that I will be using is this floral foam from the Dollar Tree, and it comes 4 in a pack. And I think what I'm going to do is probably cut these in half, and we will make sure that we have the stems of the flowers really short. Okay everyone, so this is our layout right here. This is how I have put down the floral foam, and basically again what you're going to be using is a package of this 4-block styrofoam from the Dollar Tree, and I basically just cut it in half. So here's 2 pieces put together. So you basically are just going to cut it in half and then take the flattest part, and that's the part that you want to glue down. So I'm going to go ahead and finish gluing this down, and of course you want to cut the appropriate pieces so that it fits around the curve. So I am gluing this down with hot glue. Alright everyone, so we are done applying our styrofoam with the hot glue, and now we can get to the fun part. So this is what it looks like, and you don't have to make it as dense. I actually use 4 packs of the 4 block of styrofoam from the Dollar Tree, but if you want to just have more gaps, you know, you would probably get away with using 3 packs, but I use 4 packs because I love to have a lot of floral foam. It holds all the flowers together nicely, and you don't have to glue the ends of the flowers together if you don't want to. You can, but I'm not going to do that. So this is my pack of florals. I have all of my hydrangeas in here that I'm going to be using for this project, and we'll start with the hydrangeas first, and then we will put the flowers in last. So I'm going to go ahead and start laying out my white hydrangeas first, okay? Alright everyone, so I've gone ahead and put down all of the ivory hydrangeas, and now I'm going to start to insert some of these. And once again, these are also from the Dollar Tree, and I've cut down the stems pretty small. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle these into our corner arch. So as you can see, I have worked in some of the deeper pink hydrangea into certain spots, and those are the areas that I'm also going to add in some flowers as well. Now I'm going to be adding in some flowers, so I'm going to add in these mini roses from the Dollar Tree. And I also found the hot pink ones from the Dollar Tree as well, and these are very, very pretty. I'm going to be also adding in some pink roses from Hobby Lobby and some red roses from Michael's. What we're going to do is, I guess I should have did this before I actually put the flowers down, but we're going to attach our hooks, and you can get these from Walmart. These are picture hooks, and this is the kind that you want to get. You want to get the one that has the 2 holes. That way you just have a little bit more support. And we're going to mount this to the back of our arrangement, and we're going to do that using some E6000 and some hot glue. I put my E6000 on there, and now I'm going to use my hot glue. And that should really give you a firm hold. It should hold nicely. This isn't very heavy at all. The flowers aren't heavy, and of course the foam board isn't heavy. So you want to mount 2 of these. So make sure that you straddle them so that you have support from both sides. Okay guys, we are done. This was a successful project. I put the hooks on the back as I showed you, and I basically put 2 command hooks up, and that's all you need. You can put the temporary command hooks up if your venue allows you to do that, or you can hang this on a backdrop a backdrop pole, okay? So either will work with the hooks that I showed you. So this is freaking awesome. I wanted one of these and for my wedding, and I'm so glad that I made this. This is so freaking gorgeous. A left and right side corner template, so you can make both sides. This is freaking gorgeous. So here's I just gathered up some flowers, some of the flowers, and I put it right there on the end of the curtain. And I just used a curtain that I had in the house. Sorry, I don't have any wedding curtains. And then this is it. Looks freaking awesome. It came out amazing. I just hung it right there, as you can see right there on my closet. And this is fabulous. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, don't forget to rate and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And for those who haven't subscribed, I hope that you will subscribe to my channel. And everyone can follow me on Instagram at OneHipSistah. Alright, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next DIY tutorial. Bye-bye.